Okay, here we have this Olympic math question to solve for this. How can you solve this? I think it's quite easy. Okay, you can have this, that is 8 to the x plus 2 to the x equals to 130. It can be expressed as what? 2 cube or that to the x plus 2 to the x is equals to 130. You can further simplify this to what? 2 to the what? X here and put this 3 outside. Using the formula a to the mn is equals to a to the nm. It's normal. Okay, we can then state that 2 to the x is equals to 1. Therefore, we're going to have what? Y cubed plus y. We bring this 130 here, minus 130 is equals to 0. We can further simplify 130 to have what? 130 is equals to what? 26 times 5. Okay, it's just like factorization. 26 times 5. Okay, we give 130. Okay, hence if you have y cube, you have y cube minus 25y plus 26 minus 130 is equals to 0. If you add this up, you're going to have 1. And here, okay, if you add this up, you're going to have 1. Hence, you're going to have what? Y. Okay, we know that 130 is 26 times 5. Okay, you can square this since it's cube. Okay, it's not like factorization, like a quadratic equation. Then you have this, hence we can further simplify to have what? Y into y minus 25 plus 26 into what? Y minus 5. Okay, at this point, you can't just factorize anything outside. You know that y minus 25 can be what? Y squared, so because we took out y. Okay, we have y squared minus 25. Okay, therefore we can have y into y squared minus 25 is just like y minus 5. Y squared minus 5 squared. Okay, that will be y minus 5. Okay, this can just like this, y minus 5 and 1 y plus 5 plus 26 into equals to 0. At this point, we can take out y minus 5. This is common everywhere. So have y minus 5 into y into y plus 5 plus 26 equals to 0. Okay, therefore we can just say y is equals to 5. That is already one solution. Hence, we have again what? We can just bring this in to have y squared plus 5y plus 26 is equals to 0. Okay. At this point now, we can further factorize this one. We have 26. If you can multiply what? To have 26 13 times 2. Okay. Cannot really go by factorization only. Let's use the quadratic equation formula. To have negative b, there is negative 5. You can have y is equals to negative 5 plus minus 5 squared minus 4 into a1 c 26 square root of this all over 2 in over. So okay, that will be equals to what? Negative 5 plus minus 5 squared 25. Let's do it. 25 minus 4 into 26. That will be negative 79. Okay. That will be, we know negative 1 is I squared equals to negative 1. Okay, negative 1 square will be equals to I. You are going to have negative 5 plus minus I root 79 all over 2. At this point, you're going to have this. Okay, therefore that will be equals to negative y will be equals to negative 5 plus minus this. But we are in the set of real numbers. I just wanted to show you how we solve this, and this is not real. You're going to take into consideration then only this section, that is y is equals to 5. Hence, x is equal to 1. You know that x is y. You know that y is equal to 2 to the power x. Therefore, 2 to the power x is equal to 5, which implies x is equal to log 5 all over log 2. Since you know that 2 to the power x, if you apply log here, that will be log 2 to the power x is equal to log 5. And further simplified, you have x log 2 is equal to log 5. If you further brought x, you have x equals to log 5 on log 2. And you can just end here. That's the value of x. Subscribe to the channel.